Here we have to discuss the chapter mensuration and exercise 10C. Question number 3, in which question number 3 which is saying that the length of a rectangle is 27 meter longer than its breadth. If the perimeter of the rectangle is 110 meter, find its area. So first we draw the figure which is rectangle ABCD, and in which we suppose breadth is equal to x, then we say that length is equal to 27 plus x, because question is saying that length of the rectangle is 27 meter longer than its breadth. So first we let breadth is equal to x meter, then length is equal to 27 plus x, because which is longer by 27 meter. So and in this problem also given perimeter of rectangle is equal to 110 meter. So we use the formula of a rectangle, perimeter of a rectangle, and we calculate the dimension of rectangle, which is length and breadth, and after that we have to calculate the area of the rectangle, which is L into B. Area of a rectangle is equal to L into B. So we use formula of perimeter and we calculate the dimensions of the rectangle, which is length and breadth. So perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 in round bracket L plus B. Perimeter is given, which is 110 meter, 2 in round bracket L, which is 27 plus x, and breadth, which is x. So 110 upon 2 is equal to 27 plus x. Division of 110 and 2, this is 55, and this is equal to 27 plus x, which is 2x. 55 minus 27 is equal to 2x. 28 is equal to 2x. And x is equal to 28 upon 2, which is 40. Then length of the rectangle is equal to L is equal to 27 plus x, which is equal to 27 plus x, value of x, which is 14. So we add 27 and 14, 4, 7, 11, which is 1, and carry 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4 meter. L is equal to 41 meter, and breadth is equal to 14 meter. So area of rectangle is equal to L into B, and value of L is equal to 41, and breadth of rectangle is equal to 14 meter, and product of 41 and 14, which is 14 ones are 14, carry 1, 14 fours are 56, and 1 57 meter square. So A is equal to 574 meter square, which is area of the rectangle ABCD. Now we have another problem, which is question number 4, which is question number 4. and in which question is saying that the measure of two adjacent sides of a rectangle are in the ratio of 11:10. If the perimeter of the rectangle is 84 centimeter, find its area. In this problem, the dimension of the length and breadth, which is given in the form of ratio 11:10. So in this problem, first we let common ratio, which is x, and after that we multiplied by the terms which is in the ratio. Then we have to exactly get the dimension of the rectangle. So if a rectangle is PQRS and common ratio is x, then length of rectangle is 11x and breadth of rectangle is 10x. And we know perimeter of rectangle is 84 meter. So we use the formula of perimeter of rectangle and we find out the value of x. And when we find value of x, then we get the length of the rectangle and breadth of the rectangle. And when we know the length and breadth of the rectangle, so then we find the area of the rectangle, and area of a rectangle is equal to product of length and breadth. So perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2l plus b. Perimeter is given, which is 84 meter. 2 length of rectangle is 11x, breadth of rectangle is 10x. Here transpose of 2, then which is divided of 84, and here we get 11x plus 10x. 84 upon 2, which is equal to 42, and which is 21x. 42 upon 21 is equal to x. X is equal to 2. Division of 42 and 21. 21 2s are 42. Here x is equal to 2. So length of the rectangle is equal to 11x, which is 11 into 2, 22 meter, which is length of the rectangle, and breadth of the rectangle is equal to 10x, which is 10 into 2. 10 into 2 means 20 meter. So we get the length of the rectangle, which is 22 meter, and breadth of the rectangle is 20 meter. So we calculate the area of rectangle, which is A is equal to L into B, product of length and breadth. Here value of L is equal to 22 and breadth of rectangle is equal to 20. So 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4 and 0. Product of 22 and 20 is equal to 440 meter square, which is area of the rectangle, which dimension is 22 meter and breadth is 20 meter. Here another problem, which is question number 10, in which question is saying that find the area of a square whose perimeter is 26 centimeter. Figure is a square, so first we draw the square, and we know that all the side of the square is same, and in which perimeter is given, which is 26 centimeter. And as we know that perimeter of a square, which is equal to 4 into side, 4 into side, which is equal to 26 meter, then side is equal to 26 upon 4. 26 upon 4, it means 4 6 are 24 and 4 5 are 20. Then we get the side of a square, which is equal to 6.5 centimeter. Then we have to find the area of the square. Area of the square, we suppose it is A. So A is equal to, as we know that area of a square is equal to square of a side or side into side, and value of side is equal to 6.5 centimeter. So area of a square is equal to square of 6.5. Square of 6.5, it means 6.5 into 6.5, which is equal to 42.25 centimeters.